Hey guys, I just got home and oh my goodness, I set up or brought my husband's picture in to get framed, and the price, you guys, oh my goodness, it will be $250 to frame that picture, but it's worth it, I guess. It's gonna look good. But wow, I was expecting 100 and something. But that's what you get for small towns and businesses, I guess. It's not even a small town, but yeah. But I got home and I have a package. It's pretty sad that I got this before that other one I've been waiting for. And I ordered that one well over a month ago, and I ordered this one maybe a week or so ago, a week and a half ago. I'm not sure what's in it, but we will find out. I'm on my phone, so let's see how I can do this without knocking the phone down. If I can get it open, I'll have a scissors up here. Got trays, no cutout, wax, pen, baggies. And another one. And another one. Must be 4 pictures here. I think I know which ones they are. I don't remember what store this is from. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are just small ones. 15 by 20, 15 by 20, 15 by 20, and 15 by 20. They are all round. These are some of my travel ones that I picked up. I'll have to let you know which, the store's on here. I believe this right, let's see it. This, I believe, is the store. There's picture number 1. Let's see how many. Well, these are weird symbols, and they're very hard to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors. And they come in Ziploc baggies. Well, that one did not. All the rest came in Ziplocs. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I wonder why some of them did not come in Ziploc. I got 4 that did not. A lot of pretty colors. None of them feel like they're icky, greasy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. They're more or less ready to go. I just gotta put the symbol on those bags. My daughter must be trying to sneak upstairs, but she doesn't even have the, she's not even dressed for the day. Don't have to do anything. It's like 12:30. She didn't eat lunch yet. She's having a naughty day today. Minnie Mouse and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Love all these colors, all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So basically what's not in bags, these bags will cover that. Two, 4. Hey you, did you get dressed?
Yep.
Good job. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. I don't know. You're going to get your jumping shoes on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did I miscount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
You're down on my knees.
40.
You're down on my
Oh,
knees.
these are all 3. Okay, that's why. So we got 1, 2.
I moved for you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this one next time.
Already did all those ones.
Oh.
And we're going to look at the canvases.
These ones next?
Nope, I already did all of those.
Are those?
So we're going to open these. See if you know what they are.
What is them?
Oops.
I can't know. What is them? I can't know.
No, you'll have to look. These are teeny tiny. Look how cute they are.
Yeah, what is them? This is what I buy things. This one, pilot.
Smallest one I've ever received. It's cute. Look how little it is. Okay, take your hand off and I'll take this off.
Oh, this is the paint thing.
Do you know what that is?
No. I don't know.
It's a castle. It's the Disney castle. Can't really tell by this though. Hopefully it's very sticky.
Yeah.
Don't touch. A very good drill field.
Mommy, what am a pirate?
You're a pirate?
Yeah.
I don't know how that would make you a pirate.
That not really look like a castle.
Kind of a paint splatter castle.
Yeah.
What is this?
I don't know.
Do you not know? Who's this?
I don't know.
It's Minnie Mouse.
No.
This is Mickey Mouse.
This one. That one, Mickey Mouse. But those that look like Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse. I'm supposed to be brown or black.
I know, but it's a paint splatter Mickey.
Both of these could be black too. Any more pistols?
My phone won't focus.
Hey, what is this one?
It's Mickey.
Mickey. This is the Mickey Mouse one, and this is the castle one. And I got.
I don't know why my phone won't focus for you guys.
And I can know this one.
Maybe it's because you're blocking some light. Hannah Grace.
I can know this one. It is a horse.
Well, that's bad.
This is
The cuts though. I wish my phone would focus. It's not sticky at all up here because there was nothing covering it.
Yeah. Mommy, look, this is the horsey one. I can't know this one, Mommy. Look, this is the horsey
I don't know
one.
why my phone isn't wanting to focus. It's like getting worse. What if I turn this on? Nope. It's really funny.
Look, I can know this one. That one is a horse, Mommy.
It's a unicorn.
Oh, my God, I thought this is the horse. I thought it was a a horse, Mommy. Wow, the unicorn looks pretty.
My phone will not focus.
Oh. Maybe
But everything looks really good on these.
I think Daddy's phone can focus.
Maybe. Daddy's at work.
Okay. Let's look at on top. Wow, that unicorn looks pretty. And
So that is all of them. I got 4 so far. I have 3 or 4 more
I
that
like
should be
this
coming.
one and this one. I like this one. I like this one.
And these are just kind of my travel ones. So
I like
if we go somewhere.
those. I like all of them.
So
I
we
like
got
that one. I
Minnie,
like that one.
Mickey,
I like
Unicorn,
that one. I
and a
like that
Disney
one.
Castle.
I like.
And everything was there in a cone for. So that makes me happy.
And who
Kids
is this
come
one?
with even a
Who is
3 drop
this one pistol?
placer.
Who is this one pistol? Who is that one pistol, Mommy? Whoa, that'll watch them.
So yeah, there is another video for you guys. I will stash those away and save them for when we take a road trip. Like when we go back to the zoo. So you can see the gorillas.
I don't like gorillas.
Why?
Because,
Are they scary?
yeah, the one just doing this and the one just doing this on the grass.
Did that scare you?
Yes. I just like the good gorillas.
Oh.
Not the one that does this on the grass.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See